Hello, and welcome to Paracord Planet. As our name would suggest, this channel is all about making things out of paracord. Paracord was first used back in World War II to drop into Normandy on D-Day, so it has a pretty fun history behind it. Today, paracord is recognized as a versatile utility rope for backpacking, hunting, and quick fixes. It's also become an extremely popular material for creating functional artwork like bracelets, dog collars, keychains, and handle wraps. Paracord's even been used for some giant art installations. Our fans can get pretty wild. We love hearing from you guys on Instagram, Facebook, and in YouTube comments. Behind me, you can see some of the things that we've made in our past videos. As you can tell, bracelets are some of the most popular things to make. This video actually serves as an introduction to a new playlist we're putting together on paracord crafting basics. If this is your first exposure to paracord, then welcome, we're glad you're here. If you've been a long-time follower, this would be a great video to share with your friends. Not all of the videos in this playlist are going to be new. Some of them are ones that we published a while ago, but we thought would be helpful for new paracord crafters. And who knows, if you're an experienced paracord crafter, you might find something helpful here as well. In each of our tutorials, we try to provide you with a good estimate of how much cord you'll need, as well as linking to all the supplies down in the description. Along the way, we'll link out to other helpful resources to keep you supplied with inspiration. Unlike most other paracord tutorial channels, we also are a store. We carry over 600 colors of paracord, as well as things like buckles, paracord tools, and other crafting supplies. So you can find everything you need in one place. So with that, welcome to the channel. We're glad you're here, and we hope to see you in the next video.